In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use starred messages in Gmail. If you're someone who receives a lot of emails daily, knowing how to effectively use stars in Gmail can be a game changer for keeping your inbox organized and ensuring important messages stand out. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Gmail account. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in mail.google.com, or simply open the Gmail app on your device if you're on the go. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. Give it a click. Now that you're inside the settings menu, you'll want to find and click on See All Settings. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed by the number of options here. Take a deep breath and let's walk through it together. Under the General tab, you're going to scroll down until you see the Stars section. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll notice a selection of stars or flags, some of which may already be in use and others that aren't. You have the option to customize which stars or symbols you want to utilize. To do this, just drag them from the Not in Use section over to the In Use column. This flexibility allows you to create a system that fits your unique way of sorting messages. Once you've customized your stars the way you like, make sure you click on Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. This is an important step, otherwise all your efforts in customizing appearance might go to waste. Next, you'll want to head back to your Gmail inbox. Look for an email you want to highlight as important, or one you want to return to later. When you've found that email, click the star icon next to it. This little yellow star is clickable and will mark the email, sending it straight to your starred folder, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. If you've selected multiple star options to be in use, continue clicking the star next to an email to cycle through your desired flags. This feature allows you to categorize emails with different symbols, giving you visual cues about the nature or priority of each message. Stars are a simple yet powerful tool to manage your emails more efficiently. They help you identify what's essential at a glance and keep your inbox clutter-free. That's all you need to start using starred messages in Gmail effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.